Hey, girl. Hey, sweet girl. What are you doing up here? We're having a hurricane party. All the birds are playing. Hey, this is little Tater. Where's Tot? Oh. It's time to eat. We're having hurricane snacks. Eat your veggies. Ozzy, what are you doing up there, Ozzy? Come here. Come here. Are you hiding from the cakes? I know. They're such bullies, aren't they? They're very much bullies. Here, how about eating some veggies? Hmm? Is it good? Is it good? Yum, yum. Is it good? Hmm? No? Where are you going? Come here, little boy. Where are you going? Oh, here goes the bullies. Ozzy, they just want to play. But they want to play a little rough. Here, Ozzy. Where are you going, baby? What? What? What's going on? Hey, Ozzy. Hey, pretty boy. Hey, you are so handsome. There they go. There goes Tater, chasing Ozzy.